Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Farzeen and I hope you're all doing great and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a really pretty gift box. You can use this box for anything, for gifts or whatever you want. But before we get into the tutorial, please consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that and that would really help me. You'll need a paper that is 8.25 by 10 inches, and then you're going to have to score 1.5 inch on all four sides. Make sure you bend and burnish really nicely, and this is the base for the box. And after you're done doing that, just cut off the score lines. Make sure you're just touching the corner, just like I'm showing you here. Do not cut it all the way through. We're not supposed to cut out the squares, just cut a line and make sure you're just touching the end score line, and do that on all four sides. And once you're done doing that, use your glue or score tape, whatever you have, and glue these flaps down on the sides. You can glue them on the inside or outside. I prefer gluing them outside because that's just how I do it. And just glue all the four sides on the outside of the box base, and you'll have your box ready in no time. And just like that, you have a box that measures 5.25 by 7 inches. Now we have to make the cover lids for that. Cover for it, you're going to need these two pieces. One piece that is 5.25 by 5 and the other is 6.5 by 5.25. So score 1.5 inch on the first side, on the 5-inch side of the first piece, bend and burnish, and on the second one just score 1.5 inch on the longer side, that is 6.5 inches, and you'll have your base for the covers, the lid for the box, and just like that. Now I'm going to use some I'm using some score tape. You can use your glue again, and we're going to put this just like that on the sides. Make sure you're lining this up really nicely, and this is how you're going to do it on both sides. And this is how the box will look once you have the covers on. and we're going to keep it closed with magnets, but we'll do that later on. Before that, you're going to need 4 pieces to cover up the sides of the box. These pieces measure 1 1/4 by 6 3/4 2 pieces, and 1 1/4 by 5 2 pieces. These pieces are going to go on the outer sides of the box, and the same measurements will be applied for the to cover the inside of the box as well. Now to cover the outside and inside of the lid, you're going to need 4 pieces again. 2 pieces that measure 2 pieces 4 1/4 by 5, and 2 pieces 4 3/4 by 5 inches, and they will fit perfectly on the lids without any hassle, and you'll have the white border around them and they look really nice. I absolutely love this paper. This paper pack is really beautiful. Love it. Just a gorgeous paper. And now I'm just using my scraps to cover up the inside of the box, the inner base. You can use your scraps however you prefer and however you want to put them down. This is how I did it, and I'm not covering up the sides and just yet, and I left that other side blank because we have to put the magnet there. Here I already prepared the embellishment, the thing that is going to go on the center of this box, and I'm using some magnets, and I'm going to place these magnets on the back side of the embellishment. I use some decorative paper, the designer paper, and white cardstock, and then I just place some flowers and sticker on top and just line it up. To make sure you're centering it up really nicely. Just center it up, or you can do it however you want to put it down, just like that, and then just put the magnets on the back side of this. So I've already added the magnets on the box inside, on both sides, there, and just I just covered up the flap as well, and then I decided to do a partition inside the box. This piece measures 6 1/4 by 1 1/2, and you just score 1/2 inch on the longer sides and put the flaps flush against the walls inside the box, and you'll have your partition. And the smaller piece measures 4 1/2 by 1 1/2. Just score 1/2 inch on both sides. You'll have 2 1/2 inch flaps, put them flush against the walls inside the box, and you'll have your partition inside the box. You can make these partitions bigger, smaller, longer, narrower, however you like. I just wanted to do it like this because I've already made the stuff that I want to put inside this box, so it just depends on you. How you can do it however you like, and just be creative with it. And there I already have my partition. This this box will make an adorable gift. This turned out super nice. Like, I did not expect this to look this good, but it turned out super amazing. So just stunning. And I added a stack of white cardstock. These photo mats measure 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and these are 14 or 12 pieces of cardstock, and I just tied them up with ribbon and put it inside the box. And this whole box everything inside this box will hold 2 by 3 pictures, all of them without any cropping. And after I put this white stack of paper, I decided to do a purple one as well. This purple stack of paper cardstock also measure 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and you'll be able to add lots and lots of pictures inside this box, and you'll be able to even journal inside if you want. And yeah, this is the box. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love how this turned out. This will make super stunning, gorgeous gift for anyone, for birthdays, anything you want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.